Cunning play, mastering the art of subtlety in English. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase that's as tricky as it is common: cunning play. Whether you're a seasoned English speaker or just starting out, understanding phrases like this can add a layer of sophistication to your communication. Let's get started. Cunning play refers to actions or strategies that are clever, often in a slightly deceptive or sly way. It's about being skillful in achieving one's aims, sometimes by subtly bending the rules or being particularly inventive. It's not necessarily negative. It can also imply a smart or astute tactic in various situations, from sports to business. The word cunning itself has an interesting set of connotations. It can be used to admire someone's cleverness, but it might also suggest that the person is being crafty in a less than honest way. It's all about the context in which it's used. In our phrase, cunning play, it often leans more towards a clever or shrewd action rather than something dishonest. Let's see cunning play in action. In a game of chess, sacrificing a piece to gain a better position is a cunning play. A businessperson negotiating a deal might use cunning play to gain an advantage. In literature, a character might use cunning play to outwit their adversary. Understanding how and when to use this phrase can be quite advantageous in making your English sound more natural and nuanced. I hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, cunning play, and you're now better equipped to use it in your conversations. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's also about the subtle shades of meaning that make communications so rich and varied. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious.